Hey Mark and Mandy, it's great to be with you. I am Jobie from LittleStar Renovations, and spring is in the air. We do probably 6 or 7 decks per year, and I quickly want to share with you some of the products that are on the market that you can put on your deck. First is the Spruce Fir, very durable, the most inexpensive, but it is pressure treated with a chemical. It does check when the sun hits it hard. It's inexpensive though, and fairly durable. Your second is your Cedar. Cedar is more attractive. It is a little bit more expensive than your Spruce Fir, but is a soft wood. The downside to Cedar is it is going to accept water. It's very soft wood, and the maintenance is fairly high on Cedar because if you've looked at a Cedar fence, the UV makes it go gray very fast. So, a couple points about that. Third is your composite wood. It's made out of recycled material. Beautiful. If you don't want any maintenance at all, you only have to wash it once a year. Downsides, in my opinion, are it's very hot underfoot in the summer, and at the end of the day, it's a photo finish on plastic. It's semi-reflective, and with the end grain, it's clearly not a natural product. The fourth, and my favorite, is your exotic hardwoods. This particular one is Batu from Indonesia. You see here we've got unstained and stained. You don't have to stain this wood. It's extremely durable, extremely strong. You can drop a hammer on it from 5 feet, barely dent it. Withstands the weather and looks fantastic because you've got beautiful end grain. You can sand it and it turns out like fine furniture when you're done. So as you can see on this deck, we're staining it. The client opted for that, but what I said before, you don't have to stain this product. If you like the natural weathered look, which I personally do, you don't have to apply stain. Really important you use the right product when it comes to staining. Another thing is only stainless steel can get used with this product. And lastly, one thing I've learned over the years is this is a 6-inch board. If you're putting deck boards down, definitely go with a 4-inch. This is such a strong material, it'll warp and snap the nails, and we get called back time and time again from all the decks we've done with 6-inch material. So if you're in the Vancouver area and you're looking for someone to renovate your home or your deck, make sure the contractor you're using has done the adequate research for the product that you want to use on your deck. I hope this has been really helpful for you guys. Have a great summer. Now back over to you, Mark and Mandy.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.